Hi there, this is Caitlin at Hailey Public Library, and today we're going to talk about how to use HPL's Public Access Catalog, or PAC. To find our PAC, start out at haleypubliclibrary.org. The PAC is then located on the right side of the screen under Search Our Library Catalog. Type in an author, title, or subject to get started. Once you hit go, a new page will appear with the results from your query. Now let's take a look at some of the features that can enhance your experience with the PAC. First, you can customize your language, and you can make the text larger on the entirety of the page. Next, let's check out our account. To access your account, click the Login button on the top right of the page. To log in, you will need your 14-digit barcode located on the back of your library card and the PIN that you established when you set up your library card. Usually, it's the last 4 digits of the phone number you gave us. In My Account, you can look at all of the recent items you've checked out and their due dates. Here, you can also request renewals on those items. Now that we've looked at My Account, let's go back to our original search. To get a summarized view of the item, click on Where is it? On this screen are 5 important things to look at. The first thing you want to look at is the status. Is it here or not? If it's checked in, it's ready on the shelf. Next is shelf location, where it is in the library, and call number, how to find it in that collection. The last 2 things are important reminders. Make sure you have the right library and the correct type of item you're trying to check out. For a more detailed look on the item, click on Full Display. Under Full Display, you will first see detailed cataloging information. Further down is the same information under Where is it? At the bottom of the page, you'll see You Might Also Like. This gives you read-alikes for the title you're looking at currently. This includes similar titles as well as similar authors. Back on the main page, you can place a request to put the item on hold. If you haven't done so already, you will now log into your account with your barcode and PIN. Make sure that all of the information is correct on the screen, then hit Submit Request. You have now successfully requested a book to be placed on hold. Thanks so much for watching our tutorial on how to use our PAC. Still have questions? Give us a call or come into the library. See you there!